Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to remove the HVAC control module on a Cadillac XT4. So what you have to do is you have to actually remove the seat too, but there's a way to do it without it too, but it's easier to like remove the seat entirely. After you like remove the seat, then you have to like remove all these screws which go for the center console, and then after you do that, you have to pull back the center console enough, and then you also have screws for the center console in the back too. So for example, you will have one right over there. You can see it. The screws we're pointing there will have like screws on both sides there too. And then once you do all that, pull the center console back, and then the HVAC module should be located right between there. It should have these four connections to it. Just unplug these connections and this should come right out. Hopefully this video was helpful for you guys. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.